The things which you learn in school you will not learn in madrasas.
If you are said that there is a gap in era, if we are Muslim, we have to learn the things. We have to learn learn about that what we have to do in our life. So we have to learn with the madrasa. We did not learn with the school.
But we can also learn those things in madrasas, not in school. Sorry, we can learn all things in Islamic subject. We can learn all things in Islamic subject which we will learn in madrasas.
Okay. If you are said that you are learn those things in not and learn in school, so we have to learn in these things in home as well. We have to learn these things in madrasa. We have to learn that what we have to do in our life. We don't know about that. We have to do what we ever want to do in our life. So we have to do what we think in the madrasa. We have to learn the things in the madrasa, then we have to do in our life.
So you also say that we will learn all things in our home.
After that time. When after I will complete the madrasa of the classes, then I will do the whatever I want. First I have to learn the thing which with the madrasa is taught to me. So first I have to learn these things. So it's will good for me, for my life, as well as for the after the life which I am not in a life. I said that when the thing I learn in the madrasa, it is good for my life as well as for ever which I am not in the life. Which I am not in the life means which I am not in the life. So it is very good for us, for me as well.
So we can learn all the things in school. I have already told you. So
not in the good manners. In a good manners.
Why we cannot learn?
Because
if you are going to a good school, if you are going to a good school, so you can learn those
so
things
you know
in a
that,
good
that
manner.
there is so much subjects are over there, and the students are not able to do all the things in one era. If you learn the one thing in one era, so you have to do a better thing to do the work.
The student can do. Students.
Kids
are more sharper than
no,
than the.
You are not supposed to say like if the student are the younger one, he is burdenized these things. He is burdenized. He did not take this type of work. If they do these types of work, he will do it.
No, if he will take all things in his childhood, so he would be able to do all things in his teenage and after teenage.
Okay, if you are said that the primary school is important, so you know that in the last era, in the previous time, so you know that the student when they birth they learn in the madrasa. After a while, 1 or 2 years, he will learn for the primary or that type of learning. So he will a good environment on that. In the previous person are doing very good on these things.
Yeah, because all people don't know the importance of the.
If you are said that the last person who you have said that so many persons are the make a name for them. They make a name. They make a name that there is do in madrasa. Then he will do these types of learn. First they learn the madrasa. First they learn so many things in the madrasa. Then he will do the next knowledge. So the madrasa is important than primary school.
No, but primary schools are more important.
Okay, I'll tell you again. The thing is that when you learn so many things in the first era, so you learn that there's so much person they have done lots of work on the last stages. The previous one they work a lot on that time. Now the time he did not work for the name as well.